So let's start with the batter. The thing about when you're making a batter is you want to kind of just put all the ingredients in, and you don't, you know, some people whisk their batter.
No, you can't, it'll get tough.
It'll get tough and all the air will leave. So we want to leave all that air in there and let it develop. Again, you know, you have, so there's like yeast in here, it's alive. So when you add the beer to it, it's going to start to bubble. And you just want to let it do its thing for about 20 minutes. So we're going to do that first.
Okay.
All right.
So flour is in here already, yeast is in here already.
No, the beer,
flour.
the natural yeast that's in the beer. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So what we're going to do is going to season it up, right? Because you want the flour to taste great. Mm-hmm. Put some cayenne in there, some five spice.
What kind of flour are you actually using for this?
Just AP flour. I mean, if you have rice flour sometimes, rice flour fries really well.
That smells really good.
Doesn't it smell good? So you want to be aggressive with your seasonings. You got to taste your flour.
I'm ready to pour the beer.
You're really, you pop that beer open, you're ready to go already. So, all right, so a little paprika, some more seasoning. What I'm looking for here specifically is color. I want the color to change from white.
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells good, right? So we're doing business here, so I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper. Now slowly pour some beer in.
Okay. Oh, jeez.
Ooh. A little for the homies. So what we're gonna do is just take note. We're gonna be very gentle here. See how gentle I am?
Easy does it.
All right, put a little bit more in. And then for extra added crispiness, we're gonna add some bubbles in there, some water that's carbonated. It's gonna really fry up the onions nice and crispy. So we're gonna put that around there. Mix it in a little bit, just like that. Okay, now again, you don't want to be too aggressive.
You definitely have color going on here.
I have color. See all the air bubbles that are developing in here?
Yep, that's what you want, right?
That's what you want. Now, it's a little thick and clumpy, so we're gonna add a little bit more liquid. Go ahead.
Beer too?
Yeah, again, there's measurements and recipes for making batter, but really what you have to do is you have to figure out, you have to understand what you're looking for in a batter, and use the recipe as guidelines, but you're gonna have to kind of look at the flavor, see what the thickness is, because it's always gonna change a little bit. So I think we're in a good spot right here. I'm gonna let it do its thing.
Okay,
cool?
let it sit.
All right, let's sit. All right, perfect. So the batter looks bubbly and alive and ready to go. Great, we're dipping the onions in here.
Ooh.
Doesn't that look great? All right, we're gonna turn them around here a little bit. All right, so again, you know.
How long do they take?
They take a little bit. It just depends on what kind of oil you're using, which is really important. If you're using a vegetable oil or a peanut oil, those have a little bit higher smoking point. I'm using an olive oil right now, which it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna have to leave them in for a little bit longer. All right, look at these. Nice and crispy.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
They're great, right?
Put them on. Oh, you got a bowl.
I'm gonna put them right over here, yeah,
Okay.
in the bowl. Perfect.